Welcome to Shutterfly How-Tos, quick tips to help you create with ease. In this video, we'll discuss what the Auto Layout feature does and where you can find it. Auto Layout is a smart feature that automatically updates the page layout each time you add a photo, so your pages always look polished and well-designed. To get started, head to the bottom of your screen and make sure Auto Layout is turned on. Then, simply drag photos onto your page. A plus icon means your photo will be added to the page. If you see the swap icon, it means you're replacing the photo underneath. As you add more photos, new layouts will automatically generate for you. Want to try a different look? Click Shuffle Layout to instantly explore new arrangements. If you'd prefer to place multiple photos at once, you can turn Auto Layout off. You'll also find an option in the More menu to turn it off for all pages. And that's a quick tour of the Auto Layout feature in the Photo Book Builder. For more tips, check out our other videos. Have fun and make something that means something.